Alright boys, bangers are ready, here we go. Any minute now.
You did actually like them this time, didn't you?
Well, of course I did. Must be dodgy fireworks or something. I told you we shouldn't have bought them from Cornwall.
No, there's nothing wrong with Cornish. Doesn't matter. Dave, have a look, will you? Make sure he hasn't cocked it up again.
Yeah, alright then, fine. Oh, well, those are sausages, not fireworks. Well, he's put sausages in the floor.
Have you put fucking sausages in the floor?
Well, Oh, I'm really sorry, Stuart.
Oh, for goodness sake.
I'm very sorry.
Jesus Christ!
They look quite similar when you think about it. It's an easy mistake to make.
No, it's definitely not! The oven's ruined!